Hello, hi. Welcome to Mindshift Talks with Sayyad Arif. Today, we have a special guest, Priyanka Gandhi. She is from Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, a highly qualified HR professional and a successful Mindshift coach who is passionate about personal transformation. And her mission is to impact people's lives around the world. Hi, Priyanka. Welcome to the show. How are you doing?
Hi, and I really want to thank you for this wonderful opportunity. And I want to congratulate you at the same time. You're doing an amazing work. The more, the merrier, I say.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Priyanka, please tell us about your spiritual journey and connection with God.
Right. I have been brought up in a family which is pretty, religious, I would say that. But my spiritual journey began at the darkest moment of my life. Let me share it with everyone. I'm a suicide survivor.
Oh,
I've 6 times tried to commit suicide.
wow.
So my spiritual journey began from there, in the deepest and the darkest places. My spiritual journey began from there. And tarot cards are something that helped me realize my greater self.
Wow. So, how did you overcome with that negative thoughts from your mind, and how you become a successful person and mind shift coach?
It's really intriguing because when I look backwards, I can connect the dots. But when I was living that journey today, now it's really funny that you asked me. I can really see how the dots were connected. Sometimes, it's not only me who did it, but then I would really have to thank God, and I really have to thank the amazing people around me. So it wasn't just me, but it were my family support that was there, their relentless support that helped me get over this. And my tarot cards, I'd again say that the moment I got that deck in my hand and I sat and did a live, even if you take my arm off, even if there is a shark attack and the shark takes my leg off, I'd still be doing my live with the tarot.
Wow. So, what makes you to take the decision in past? Like, what are the reason? Because if someone takes extreme steps in their life, there might be a genuine reason or strong reason behind it. Right? What makes you to go in a very upset mood, or I can say below average mood, or destructive mood, to take that kind of steps?
I did. I now that I say online and in front of the entire world, I made some really bad choices, and I stuck to them. And I thought that they were the right choices at that point of time. I'm a by I really the downward spiral began when I did not take the responsibility for my own choices. One
Okay.
after the other, the choices that I made were my journey towards a very dark place where I doubted myself. I doubted everybody else. I became paranoid. So if anybody asked me, isn't that abnormal? I would tell them that's paranormal.
Yeah, that's true. And even I believe, decisions are very important in our life. The decisions what we take, it shape our future, our journey. Like even Tony Robbins says, in the moment of your decision, your journey is shaped. So, do you think a decision plays a major role in personal life to become successful?
Absolutely. Decisions can go wrong also, and it's absolutely okay. But the more important bit is taking responsibility for that decision. That of course I took those decisions, and they didn't go so well, or they went wrong, or they went horribly wrong. Okay,
Yeah,
decisions can go horribly wrong as well. We're all human beings. We all make mistakes,
yeah,
but the thing is that to pick yourself from there. I needed a lot of support. So, the people around you really matter at that point of time when you pick yourself up. And that conviction, that yes, that realization, I had my daughter in my hand when I realized that, what am I doing? This baby she was, before time. So she was just 1 kg, and she survived a lot of things in her life. As a baby, 1 month she was in that incubator. There were as many tubes in her as many, I would say, veins. And she was happily a fighter. And I'm like, what am I doing? My little one is telling me, that you have to be the queen of your own life. So she she was a born queen. She wasn't born princess. She was a born queen. So she told me, Mom, straighten up your crown.
Yeah. So maybe we can say your daughter has come as a blessing from God to change your life, or maybe
Yes.
it's a reason for you to live the purpose of your life. She become your purpose of life.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. That's wonderful. And maybe your story will really impact people heart and mind, because I really like your story and it's so powerful. And our next question, like, what are your views on people mindset? Like, how right coded mindset is really important to a person to become successful in life? Do you believe in right coded mindset?
I really believe that, because when things go wrong, like nobody could predict the corona pandemic. My husband and I used to watch the news, and we were like, oh my gosh, look, that man just fell. And it was like, oh my God, it's in China. We never anticipate that this could be us.
Yeah.
So that's what, things can go horribly wrong, decisions can go wrong, uncertainty can happen. But what helps you go through everything in life is here.
Yeah.
My dad always taught me, you can never win a battle with guns. Battles are won here.
Yeah. Even
with your courage. Battles are won with your own courage. He always used to say a share. If I'm allowed, I'll be sharing that share with you.
Yeah. Sure.
He used to say, गिरते हैं शेर सवार ही मैदाने जंग में. गिरते हैं शेर सवार ही मैदाने जंग में. वो क्या खूब लड़े जो घुटनों के बल चले.
Wow.
So only those people who have courage make it.
True.
So for courage, it is the mindset. I believe that replace the word with mindset.
Yeah.
That's what gets you through any pain in life.
Yeah. I agree. Even Arifin Khan says this, like, two thing happens in our life. One in our mind and one in a reality. That's true. Yeah.
That man's wonderful.
Yeah. He's amazing. Yeah. So his goals are important in people's life, and if it is important, then what are your goals in life?
I feel goals are really important. I don't know how many of you can relate, but there's a cartoon character. You see the boy sitting on a donkey and he's carrying the carrot. Now he's carrying the carrot and the donkey thinks the carrot is for him and he keeps walking. That finally he'll reach the carrot someday.
Yeah.
That's what goals do to us.
Yeah.
They make us move. I
Yeah.
believe that.
Yeah.
And my goal in life is, touch every life possible. Whoever had a thought of whoever had a thought of suicide, because it's something that is terrible, that can happen to anyone.
Yeah.
You can be very normal, you can be laughing, but at the back of their mind they can have it.
Yeah.
So it's my mission in life to touch everyone such life, and if I can make a difference,
I can
God
say
bless.
I can say you are on a right path and a very fantastic journey. You know, you have a very strong, very powerful story, and I'm seeing a success in you. Like you can impact many people's life with your story and with your right coded mindset. And I wish you all the best for that. Uh, and what success means to you?
I would say success, if I have to give a definition, it's this.
Yeah,
It's just this. It's the peace of mind. It's the it's the peace of the mind. At the end of the day, if I can look myself in the mirror and say, yes, that was an amazing day.
yeah,
That's success for me.
yeah. Like living life peacefully.
Yes, I would say.
Wow, that's so nice of you. I'm very happy to listen success, the meaning of success from you. And
Thank you.
what are your dreams in life?
I have quite crazy dreams. I would say one is to ride all roller coasters in the world, huh? Mind it.
Wow,
So well, that's what I want to do. I want to go to all the amusement parks with my daughter, and just want to have fun around. Those are my dreams. Have fun with people. Let people realize that life is not that serious.
yeah. Life is very easy, and life we have to enjoy our life the fullest.
Yes, and enjoy ourselves. What if we made a mistake? Enjoy yourself, enjoy your mistakes.
Yeah,
Once we start doing that, life wouldn't be, uh, you know, that boring, I would say.
yeah. That boring and that strict, or that we can say life is not that hard. It's very easy, and it's very easygoing life.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree. What makes you smile and what scares you the most?
See, I have the same answer for both, and that's my daughter.
Wow. Yeah. For parents, their kids are everything. Like for each and every parents, all parents, they love their kids so much, so much. They are everything for them. And I wish you health, good health for your daughter. And welcome. Being a strong and courageous and visionary woman who come up with who fight life with very courage and dedication, what message you want to give to people who are in depression, anxiety, and who are doing not really well in their life? What kind of message you can give so that viewer, it will help viewer to change their mindset and perspective?
I'll just want to say, very quickly that, for all these people, that there is light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah,
Wait for that light.
yeah,
At the darkest hour, you have to wait for that light, because
yeah.
that light is within us.
That's
And
true.
if you stay still, if you stay quiet for a moment, that light will shine from within you. You don't have to go looking outside for it.
Yeah,
Just hold still for a moment. Because I've been somebody who's had anxiety attacks, like, even people around me knew that she's going to have an anxiety attack. So all my friends used to be prepared for it. But the moment I realized that whenever I feel really anxious and I stood still and took a breath,
yeah,
life was there.
yeah. I agree. Even the right mindset will really help people to become successful in life. And
Absolutely.
yeah, even I see after this pandemic, most of the people, like the stress level has increased tremendously in people life around the world, not only in one particular country, around the world, because the unpredicted things are happening, unpredicted situations are happening. Many people are losing their job, and many good businessmen, they are winding up their business. And each and everyone financially mentally they are in high stress?
An event, I'd say long time back when I worked as a journalist, I covered 25 years of Bhopal gas tragedy.
Okay.
So, I went there and talked to people, and one of the person who lost his eyesight because of being contacted with the gas. So he said, you know what, people have always had tragedies. This world is defined by tragedies. Look at the Canadian school now. In news today, 215 children buried. I
Yeah.
mean, tragedies have always been there. Something that helps us, like the gurus or anybody would say. I would say it's all in the mind.
Yeah.
Things would keep happening around us.
Yeah.
The world will take its own course, but we have to see what's our course. So here, a goal and outcome becomes very important, because even if you astray, you know that you have that carrot waiting for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Like we have to keep our eye on our goals, and we have to follow our goals, keep working on our goal until we become successful in life. I
Yes,
fully
absolutely agreed.
I fully agree with you. And my last question is like, what message you want to give to youth? Because what I see, many youth in nowadays, they are in a depression. They are in a so much depression. So what message you want to give it to youth? Like how to come out from depression?
See, firstly, it's like, things, people cannot define you. Somebody's opinion, and I repeat myself, is not your reality. To the youth, don't let anybody else define you. Bring up your own definition, and whatever it is, live it. Like Ratan Tata said, I take decisions and then I make them possible.
Yeah. Yeah, that's so powerful. The one which you have told now, it's so powerful. I hope this message will reach to viewers, and it will help them to shift their mind. And I wish you all the best for coming on this show. And you are one of the nicest person I ever met. Thank you so much. Until then, see you. Bye bye.
To you, and I want to thank you for the opportunity today. You're doing an amazing job. You're touching a lot of good work you're doing. You're a good man.
Thank
May
you.
God bless you.
Thank you. You too. See you. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye bye.